Hello everybody, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing an umbrella. So it's a good day for it because it's raining outside. If you're interested, you guys can find this product in my video description, but we've needed a second umbrella. It's got a nice carrying case here, and yeah, so I'm excited to test this out. Woo! That is nice. Nice and big. Wow. Oh, that's got a nice, okay. What in the world? So wait, it opens and closes by a button? Open, press it again. No way! And you slide it down into place. Ready? I surrender! That is awesome, guys. That is really cool. So by a push of a button, so can you guys see right here? Let's get my hand out of the way. Right here, it opens up, and we press the button again, closes. That is really cool. Let's open it up here, and it's well made, really solid, great material. Overall, we're giving this a 10 out of 10. I don't know how long it's going to be able to last. You know, it seems kind of violent when you press that button, but I'm sure that's the way it's designed. That is so cool. Wow. Yeah, we're giving it a 10 out of 10. Most definitely. And then you just Velcro it right back up, just like this. And you guys are good to go. Nice, small, wow. 10 out of 10 all day long. So cool.